Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I'm going to do a pretty easy glittered faux peekaboo kind of look. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Starting with a 20-ounce stainless tumbler, and I painted it black. It was rainy the day that I was painting this, so I just used acrylic paint and let it dry. And then I'm adding a thin coat of epoxy on this. I'm going to be using 3 separate glitters, and it's not even going to be a full coverage on this. I want quite a bit of this black still showing through. You can get the same effect if you use black glitter, but I did not want to mess with the black glitter. So this is the 3 glitters that I'm going to use. They're all by Peach Yellow Glitters. It's Diamond Mint, Lagoon, and Siren. They're all very similar, darker, middle length color, and then the lightest. And I am just sprinkling this on randomly. Like I said, this is not going to be full coverage. Some areas will be a little bit more covered than others. But yeah, so the first one I used was Siren. Nope, that was Lagoon. And now I'm going to use Siren. Siren is a thinner cut, a lighter color from Lagoon, but they match, pair very well together. And I did want this to have, you know, the different teal dimensions. Now we're going to Diamond Mint, and this color is super fine, and it is gorgeous. I can't wait just to put this all over a cup. But like I said, I do want a lot of this black to show through. And once I get that done, I did roll on my parchment paper to get all that glitter to lay flat. I added 1 coat of epoxy, and then I made and cut out this wrap, and I got the succulents from Creative Fabrica, and everything that I use will be listed in the description box below. But I'm going to go ahead and I connected the succulents to kind of make it look like it all flows together. And this is where like the reverse peekaboo, I guess it could just be a normal, but I'm going to put the succulents on there, and that's going to act like the bottom layer of the black that we originally put on. If this makes any sense at all. It's a very subtle look because the succulents are so thin. Now that if you can find some thicker ones, but I really thought that these thin ones, it gave the cup a lot of dimension because you're looking at it and then you have to really look at it to see the succulents, and that's what I wanted personally. So I get part of it laid down, and I'm going to start pulling away some of the transfer tape so that I can lay down the rest of it. So there are a few spots that was so tiny that I was afraid to weed out, not on the cup. So I'm going ahead and weeding those little pieces out now. Now that I've got that done, I am going to seal this entire cup with the CC DIY Quick Coat to make sure none of that vinyl lifts. Give it 2 final coats of epoxy. And here we go. I am cleaning up the rim, getting all that excess epoxy off the rim and anything that went on inside. I chose not to put any kind of wording on this cup because I just wanted the glitter to say whatever it needed to say to anybody. And I love this so much. And like I said, you can see it's very subtle, but I love it. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.